Something about getting caught in the rain in Shenandoah seems to be a theme for me this year.
They know how to open cars. Someone told me they saw the bear open the door, and then they went into the console. They know how to do that too. Got the snacks and left. But nothing was damaged because they know how to open everything.
Yeah. It's a vending machine to them.
All right, we're about to start our 20-mile. So, how are you feeling so far?
So far, so good.
How are you feeling about the elevation we're about to encounter?
Intimidated.
It's only 5,000 feet.
Oh, gosh.
What number backpacking trip is this for you?
Maybe 5?
So you got a few under your belt, so you're good.
Yeah.
You're good. Corey's like, I'm always good.
This will be the highest elevation game backpacking trip.
All right, about to get at it. Do about 20 miles on the AT. Be a good time. Let's get it. Here we go. All right, just about 3 miles in. Making good time, less than an hour and a half, so that's good. Starting to gain a little bit of elevation. And, you know, we'll see what the water situation is. You know, it's fine. It's a little, we're in mid-August, so some of the water might be a little trickle, but that's all right. We will survive.
Did it? No, it's
How you covering those?
yeah, like he's
It's like yeah, butterflies.
They were just this big.
That would be awful. Suck the blood.
We were dead. We couldn't survive.
Oh, it's so dirty in here. And I have a tissue.
yeah.
Just. Hello, dear. Hello, dear.
Just so it can fit with my little. The way I have this.
Okay, we're about to get after it. Day 2. Woohoo! Hey! Alright, rain is starting a little bit. And running into spider webs. Something about getting caught in the rain in Shenandoah seems to be a theme for me this year. I don't know why. Or just getting caught in the rain in general. I just feel like it's been a lot of rain. My last several hikes. Let's get it. East Coast hiking be like? Made it to the top. Happy birthday!
Thank you. Yeah, you look. Thank you. Right, I did.
Little weapon, you know. We did it. Yeah. Yeah. All right, birthday pie. Yes. For the birthday girl. After conquering over 3,000 feet of gain today.
Over to the side.
Well deserved.
That was like 11 miles. That's a lot for 11.
Yeah.